Hello everybody, my name is Roxana. Today we got another beauty going on. We are working with this gather sign. We're also working with 146 inch of this ribbon. We got some beautiful colorful leaves. We got assorted leaves. We got our scissors, wire cutters, a couple of pumpkins, and these gorgeous flowers. Okay, we are going to start with our loops. We're going to go a little tail on these, about 11 inches. Grab it, get it like this. Then we are going to get another one like this. Measure them. There it is. Got my little pinpoint already. And then fasten it. This project, you could use your glue gun to put your items on or wire it down. Okay, then we're going to go down a little bit, make a little puff. We are going to make another loop. Got another pinpoint going here. Then we're going to go down again, and we are going to make two loops. Get this. So wire it in. Okay, look at that, everybody. I'm gonna go down more. We're gonna get a one loop going. Go with that. Wow, how's it looking, everybody? At the beginning, it looks good, like this, huh? Now this one, we're just gonna get another one. Let's do one loop. Okay, we got that going. Now we are going to get, excuse me, our beautiful things, and we're just going to weave them in here. Work with the green leaves, the greenery, the leaves, the fall leaves. Get them and use wiring. Insert like that. How gorgeous. I love the fall colors. They're so beautiful. This one we're going to get through here. Weave them through. Get a piece and get it pinned in. And another one right here. Got this one. This is so cute with the little chestnuts. Okay, and then we got this big sunflower one. I'm going to put this guy up here. I'm going to lift the sign up a little. Squeeze him in here. Let's get some wiring to clip it down. There. Get some wire right here. Where are you going? Clip it down right there. Okay, and now we're going to get our pieces of some, make this kind of big, some leaves. We're just going to fill in the, oh, we got this big piece right here. Hang on now. Just that. Like that. Wow, look at that. Just get some more, work our way around at the empty spots. Look at that, how beautiful. Any more over here? Some yellow in here. Oh, wait, I don't want, I'm going to, I forgot we got these little pumpkins. Look at how cute. Put a little pumpkin in there. Look at that. We got some, another pumpkin. Let's get these going first. Balance your items out and look at that, how gorgeous. We also got these beautiful florals, which I'm going to put in. Look at that. What a difference it makes with those florals going on. Get another one by the chestnuts. And we'll, oh no, I don't think we'll put one by the chestnuts. We'll put one here. And I think another one over here. Look at that. Wow. Okay, we got some of these. A couple more items. I think we got a little too much orange, so we need a little bit of coloring going on. Where can we put this? Let's get some in here. Like that. I'm going to cover up the chestnuts, and then let me see anything going on here. I think I'll get a little brown right here. Look at that, everybody. One more. Let's get this going over here. And another one right up in here. And I think we cut it, everybody. Look at how gorgeous this came out. A couple of loops. Some beautiful white florals. Hey. Like I say, be creative and visualize, and you'll come out with a beauty. Beautiful, beautiful. Once again, everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. If you got any inspiration or some ideas or just enjoy my videos, consider pressing the subscribe button, and you will be notified of my upcoming videos. It would also help my channel grow. Until then, everybody get that smile on and have a great day. Happy holidays. Look at that. Wow. Thanks for watching.